Number 16. Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya in Thailand, a UNESCO site, showcases historical remains from the capital of the Kingdom of Siam, flourishing from the 14th to 18th centuries. Its ancient temples and palaces reflect the grandeur of this once prosperous city, standing as a poignant reminder of Thailand's rich cultural and historical legacy.
Number 15. Sigiriya.
Sigiriya in Sri Lanka, a UNESCO site, features an ancient rock fortress and frescoes, dating back to the 5th century AD. Rising dramatically, it showcases advanced urban planning, standing as a testament to the artistic and architectural brilliance of ancient Sri Lankan civilization.
Number 14. Stonehenge.
Stonehenge, on Salisbury Plain, England, a UNESCO site, features a prehistoric stone circle erected around 2500 BC.
Its mysterious purpose sparks fascination and speculation about ancient significance, standing as an enigmatic testament to builder ingenuity. Number 13. Masada.
Masada, near the Dead Sea in Israel, a UNESCO site, holds ancient fortifications and palaces. Symbolizing Jewish resistance, it stood as the last stronghold against Roman forces in 73 to 74 AD. The dramatic tale of Masada's fall is etched into history, an enduring cultural symbol.
Number 12. Hampi.
Hampi, Karnataka, India, a UNESCO site, features captivating ruins of the Vijayanagara Empire, set against a boulder-strewn landscape. The Virupaksh Temple and the iconic stone chariot at the Vitala Temple complex stand as impressive remnants, testifying to the architectural and cultural splendor of the Vijayanagara era.
Number 11. Pompeii.
Pompeii, near Naples, Italy, frozen time after Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD. Excavations unveil preserved streets, homes, and artifacts, offering a snapshot of ancient daily life. As a UNESCO site, Pompeii is a poignant testament to nature's destructive forces and historical resilience.
Number 10. Ephesus.
Ephesus, in present-day Turkey, is an ancient Greek city with well-preserved ruins like the Library of Celsus and the Temple of Artemis. Flourishing from the 10th century BC to the 15th century AD, Ephesus was a vital center of trade and culture. Its historical richness attracts visitors, offering a glimpse into antiquity's grandeur.
Number 9. Ellora Caves.
Ellora Caves in Maharashtra, India, a UNESCO site, feature a unique blend of Hindu, Jain, and Buddhist rock-cut structures carved between the 6th and 10th centuries. Symbolizing India's cultural and religious diversity, they stand as a testament to ancient craftsmanship and spiritual harmony. Number 8. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza, in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, a UNESCO site, boasts the iconic El Castillo Pyramid, a marvel of Maya civilization's advanced astronomy and architecture.
Today, it stands as a testament to the ancient Maya's cultural and scientific prowess. Number 7. Acropolis.
The Acropolis in Athens, Greece, a UNESCO site, showcases iconic structures like the Parthenon, symbolizing classical Greek architecture. Dating to the 5th century BC, it stands as a testament to Athenian ingenuity and cultural achievement, captivating visitors as a symbol of Western heritage.
Number 6. Bagan.
Bagan, Myanmar's ancient city, boasts over 2,000 Buddhist temples on vast plains. Flourishing from the 9th to 13th centuries, it's a testament to Burmese cultural and architectural legacy. As a UNESCO site, Bagan invites travelers to explore its rich history. Number 5. Tikal. Tikal, Guatemala's ancient Mayan citadel, adorned with pyramids and stelae, flourished from the 6th century BC. A testament to Mayan brilliance, it's a UNESCO site inviting modern explorers to unravel its mysteries. Number 4. Karnak. Karnak, Luxor, is a vast testament to ancient Egyptian architecture, spanning 2,000 years. A hypostyle hall and towering obelisks epitomize New Kingdom grandeur. As a colossal religious site, Karnak is an awe-inspiring tribute to ancient Egypt. Number 3. Teotihuacan. Teotihuacan, Mexico's ancient city, boasts the sun and moon pyramids aligned with celestial significance. Flourishing from 1 AD, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it invites exploration along the Avenue of the Dead, showcasing Mesoamerica's cultural richness. Teotihuacan stands as a testament to pre-Columbian ingenuity and historical grandeur. Number 2. Petra. Carved into rose-red cliffs, Petra in Jordan is a captivating archaeological gem, featuring iconic structures like Al-Khazna and the monastery. Dating back to 312 BC, this UNESCO World Heritage Site seamlessly blends history with breathtaking landscapes, making it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and travelers alike. Petra stands as a testament to ancient craftsmanship and the Nabatean civilization. Number 1. Giza. The Giza Pyramids, marvels of ancient Egypt, stand as enduring symbols of architectural prowess, constructed over 4,500 years ago. Aligned with celestial precision, these colossal structures served as regal tombs for pharaohs, preserving the mysteries and grandeur of a bygone era. Today, they continue to captivate visitors as one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world.